Tired of your Jira board looking like a messy to-do list with no clear timeline? Here is how to build a visual roadmap in under 5 minutes. We are going to start by creating a dedicated dashboard. Then we will add the roadmap gadget. And finally, configure it to show your project timeline, so you can see exactly where everything is headed. All right, let us jump right in. Start from your Jira home screen. This is where you usually land when you log in. Now, look over at the left side panel. You are going to click on the word Dashboards. That is where we keep all our custom views. So now, at the top of that dashboard page, you will see a button that says View All Dashboards. Go ahead and click that. This shows you every dashboard you have access to. Now, up on the top right, you will see a blue button that says Create Dashboard. Click that to start building a fresh one. A little pop-up window appears. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name, something like Product Roadmap or Q3 Project Timeline. The reason we do this is so your team knows exactly what this view is for without having to dig around. Once you have typed that in, just click the Save button. Now you have a blank canvas. Here is where the magic happens. Look for the button that says Add Gadget. It is usually near the top of the page. Click that. This opens up the gadget catalog on the right side of your screen. Now, pay attention to this part. There is a search bar in that right side panel. Click into it and type Roadmap. 2 words, just like that. The results will show several options. You want the one called Jira Road Map. It is a native Jira gadget, so it works seamlessly with your existing data. Click to select it. Then click the blue Add button. You will see the gadget appear on your dashboard. It might take a second to load. Just give it a moment. And here is the really important part. Now you need to tell Jira which project to pull data from. You will see a configuration window pop up. There is a drop-down menu labeled Project. Click it and choose the specific project you want to build a roadmap for. In my experience, people often forget this step and wonder why their roadmap is empty. Once you have selected your project, click Save. That is it. Right there on your dashboard, you now have a visual, color-coded timeline of your project. You can see when tasks start, when they are due, and how they all connect. No more guessing. No more missed deadlines. Now your team can look at this one dashboard and instantly know what is coming next. That is the power of a good roadmap.